Episode 10.
Karem, why do you believe Mustafa? He's mad. Let him do whatever he wants. Just ignore him. Why are you following him?
Who knows what he told him? He just stormed out.
They're fighting face to face now, I'm telling you.
Oh my, Allah forbid, Allah forbid. Psh, Allah forbid.
What should we do? That vile lawyer is not answering his phone. If he finally answers, I'll tell him to stop them both.
This is not good for anyone.
I know. Allah forbid.
No! What are you doing?
Leave me.
Who are you calling?
Mustafa.
Don't act the fool! He swore to kill someone because of you, and now you think he'll listen to you? Huh? Huh? Hello?
You called me like 10 times. What's up?
Don't ask, Mr. Munir. I'm sorry I'm disturbing you.
What happened?
Karem stormed out, probably to fight Mustafa.
What?
Give me that phone. Give it to me.
Hello?
Give it to me. Hello. If you're Mustafa's protector, step in this instant and protect them from killing each other.
And who are you?
It's me, Miriam. Ebenine. Mustafa left a message to Karem again. When Karem heard the message, he left and we're worried. You know where Mustafa lives. Go and stop them.
Tell him there will be blood.
Do you hear me? For Allah's sake, please go and find them.
All right, I'll go and find them. I will. All right.
Hurry up.
All right, I'll go, okay? Ah!
What did he say?
He will handle it.
I hope he's not too late. No, we're all doomed to sadness. These are small, give me 2. Just when we were glad to see that Karem was taking care of us, this happens. He found us in 2 days. Soon he will come for us, Allah willing.
Thanks, brother. I don't want it.
That's okay. I'll drink it. Yes, I'll drink it. I'll do that.
One will end up in jail and the other one dead, and once again we'll be all alone. Where are you going?
To get some air.
There's enough air in this room for you. You better not try to run away. Look at the way she looks at my face, like I'm responsible for everything.
All right, honey, it's all right. It is.
I pray that he won't get hurt. I hope nothing bad happens. I hope nothing bad happens. No, nothing bad to anyone. You're thinking of Mustafa. And yes, it's right you do so. You're worried about him. If something happens to Karem, you'll be glad. You're right in your way of thinking. But he's my only son. I have raised him. I remember it like yesterday. He came to me with his mournful, teary little eyes, his hands. his little hands in my hands. He never let go of my hands, even when he was sleeping. One of his hands was holding mine. He carried a heavy burden in his heart at that young age. Carem is not only my son, but we also shared our sad loneliness. You don't know Carem. He's not the person you think. You don't know the real Carem. He really is a good man.
I know Mustafa that way. I was raised with him too. I saw the life in his eyes. I learned. That's why wherever I look around still, the only thing I see is the world with him. Now I only feel like a bird that knows it can never fly again. A bird that knows she will never heal, a sad, desperate bird.
Don't think that I don't understand you. When you were laying there like you were dead, I felt your pain. I kept your pain in my heart as well. Of course I understand you.
No one could understand. Your son took everything from me. Everything that I valued, my life, everything of mine. He took all that from me. But I will not let him take Mustafa's future.
I'm really sorry. I can't believe that this happened to you and everything else that we've been through.
Look at me. Your son turned me into this. I can't feel sorry for him, I just can't. And please, you really must understand this. Your son is my enemy.